Hello, quality professionals, and congratulations on completing your 8D corrective action. Though the format is simple, the work can be tough and complex at times, but if you remember to keep the customer in mind and seek to achieve a zero defect outcome, everyone wins. Speaking of winning, it's time to celebrate and show off your team's accomplishments to the rest of your coworkers and the customer, whether it's internal or external. As promised in a previous episode of Quality Moments, this much shorter presentation will show you how to take that single-page presentation solution and modify it into a team achievement report out that is easily understood and endorsed by the customer. In the case of the spilled milk, it was discovered that the root cause was the procedure didn't specifically cover how to carry milk while texting and walking at the same time. But during the read-across investigation, cell phone use turned out to be a serious safety issue and had to be eliminated from use in the workplace. The first thing we need to do is to remove the following items: the origination date, the 8D status, root causes and impacts banner, D3 containment actions, impact and risk analysis, the action plan banner, and the list of actions. To the same slide, let's add in the following: the team achievement banner and a verification of corrective action team photo banner. Take the D4 root cause block and slide it up, and place the D5 corrective action block directly underneath. Since we want to show off the team, post a shot or two here and then add a couple of blocks with the customer release date. In order to completely close this 8D out, add in a place for customer satisfaction and a testimony from the customer showing that the matter is closed. Now you have an easy-to-make, understandable, and solid team achievement report out of your 8D corrective action that is ready to be posted and sent to the customer as objective evidence of your team's efforts. Look for upcoming episodes of Quality Moments. Until next time, remember to have fun in all that you do.